Gross calorific value. Modeling gases electricity generation. An application to the sugar industry in Zimbabwe. Charles Mabo in proceeding from the International Conference on Advances in Engineering and Technology in 2006. Combustion of reaction of gases. Here we see in table. Formula of gross calorific value. Volume of gas burned 0.01 meter cube, that is equal to weight of water in kgs into temperature rise of water in degree Celsius and 4.186 by volume of gas in meter cube at standard at STP sat into 1000. Correction. The barometric pressure in the meter and the atmospheric temperatures are measured and the record volume gas corrected at STP. For every degree Celsius that T3 is above the atmospheric temperature, 0.021 mg is added to the result in mg meter cube. Net calorific value. Volume of a gas burned in equal to 0.01 meter cube. Deduct 2.26 mg m power minus 3 from the gross calorific value for every 1 ml of water condensed. Example: water condensed for from 1 meter cube equal to 40 ml. Deduction from gross calorific value is 40 into 2.26 by 1000. We got 0.089. Gross calorific value is 29.16. Net calorific value is 29.07. Classification properties and units. Wild Frances and Matters Martin C. Peters in Fuel and Fuel Technology. Calorific value definition. Gross calorific value of a gas is the quantity of a heat liberated by a combustion of unit volume of gas. Gross calorific value of a gas is the quantity of a heat liberated by the combustion of a unit volume of gas. Net calorific value of a gas is the gross calorific value minus the latent heat in water produced by combustion of the hydrogen in the gas above atmospheric temperature. Units. Megajoules per cubic meter at standard pressure STP condition. Terms by Ft cube at STP. 1 therm equal to 10 power 5 British thermal units. 1 calorie meter cube at NTP equal to 4.18 kilojoules per meter cube at STP. These are the units of gross calorific values. Based on the gross calorific value, we can find net calorific value. Gross calorific value nothing but is the quantity of a heat liberated by the combustion of a unit volume of gas. This has different units. We can interchange them. Mainly we want to remember formula of gross caloric value. If we remember gross caloric value, then we can also calculate net calorific value. Thank you.